Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad village, Gujarat. Vallabhbhai's father had served in the army of the Queen of Jhansi and his mother was a very spiritual woman. Starting his academic career in Gujarati medium school, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel later shifted to an English medium school. In 1897, Vallabhbhai passed his high school and started preparing for law examination. He went to pursue a degree in law and traveled to England in 1910. He completed his law degree in 1913 from the Inns of Court and come back to India to start his law practice in Godhra, Gujarat. For his legal proficiency, Vallabhbhai was offered many lucrative posts by the British government, but he rejected all. He was a staunch opponent of the British government and its laws and therefore decided not to work for British. In 1891, he married Savirbai and the couple had 2 children. His daughter was an activist while his son was a member of Parliament of India. Patel shifted his practice to Ahmedabad. He became a member of the Gujarat Club where he attended a lecture by Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi's words deeply affected Vallabhbhai and he soon adopted Gandhi's principles to become a staunch follower of the charismatic leader. That is how deeply Gandhi's words had affected him. He didn't know that he would change India and start a successful career.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a senior leader of the Indian National Congress and a prominent figure in the Indian freedom struggle, who later became India's first Deputy Prime Minister and first Home Minister. Sardar Patel's contribution in integrating 565 princely states into a newly independent India is unforgettable. In the initial stages of freedom movement, Patel was neither keen on active politics nor the principles of Mahatma Gandhi. However, the meeting with Mahatma Gandhi in Godhra in 1917 fundamentally changed Patel's life. Patel joined the Congress and became the secretary of the Gujarat Sabha that became a Congress stronghold later. On Gandhi's call, Patel quit his hard-earned job and joined the movement to fight for exemption of taxes in Kheda at the time of plague and famine in 1918. There was a British law banning the hoisting of the Indian flag. When Mahatma Gandhi was imprisoned, it was Patel who led the Satyagraha movement in Nagpur in 1923 against British law. It was the Bardoli Satyagraha of 1928 which earned Vallabhbhai Patel the title of Sardar and made him popular throughout the country. During Quit India movement 1942, the British arrested Patel. He was imprisoned with the entire Congress Working Committee from 1942 to 1945 at the fort in Ahmednagar. Sardar Patel was of the opinion that we will not have a united India if we do not have a good All India service. Patel was a selfless leader who placed the country's interest above everything else and shaped India's destiny with single-minded devotion. The invaluable contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in building a modern and unified India needs to be remembered by every Indian as the country marches ahead as one of the largest economies in the world.